What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, currently here on my beautiful balcony in the penthouse in Miami, Florida. And the reason why you're getting access to this video is because I want to go ahead and be your mentor. Now, chances are if you're watching this on my email list or wherever you're watching access to this, whether it's my YouTube email list, whatever that looks like, right? You're getting access to this because you're either interested in making money online or you've been trying to make money online for a period of time, but it just hasn't been working. And listen, I've been there, right? Now, what this mentorship is for specifically affiliate marketing, right? Now, I've literally went from dead broke, sleeping from couch to couch, being homeless, right? Not knowing where my next meal was going to be, literally eating grilled cheese every single day because that's all I could afford, to literally having penthouse views in Miami, Florida. I literally envisioned this. And not only that, before that, I traveled the freaking world. Last year, I did 12 countries in 8 months. And I envisioned this. I saw this in my future. I just didn't know how to actually make it happen. And basically one day, right, I saw this video online. I was scrolling just like you're probably scrolling, and then you eventually came across this video. But I was scrolling, right? I saw these people living this dream life. And what they were doing at the time was something called affiliate marketing. Very simple. You're the professional middleman. People own the product, right? You don't own the product. And then you simply go ahead and promote their product, and any sale generated, you get paid a commission, right? Now, this made so much sense to me. I didn't have to deal with the customer service. I didn't have to build my own product out. I didn't have to deal with the cancellations. I didn't have to deal with the product creation, none of that stuff, right? All I had to do was figure out how to get people who have a problem that needs to be solved in front of this product that's gonna solve it, that somebody else created. And every time I generated a sale, I got paid a commission, right? It just made so much sense to me. But the problem was when I first started doing this, like, I didn't know what the freak I was doing. I feel like I was like over my head. I was like, what did I get myself into? It's just like the first time you start doing anything, like riding a bike. You don't know what you're doing. But what do you usually have when you first start riding a bike? You have your mom or you have your dad. You have somebody guiding you every step of the way, saying, listen, little Timmy, you could do it. And I want to be that guy guiding you. I want to be the guy saying, listen, little Timmy, you can do it. But instead, in your affiliate marketing business. Now, how hard would it be to learn how to ride your bike by yourself with no guidance? It'd be damn near impossible, right? It's the same thing with your affiliate marketing business. The reason why you've been stuck or you haven't been getting results is because you don't have that person behind you guiding you every step of the way. With that being said, this is what I want to do for you. I want you to go ahead and click the button down below and apply for my one-on-one affiliate marketing mentorship, to where I'm literally going to be going over your campaigns. I'm going to be going over your sales funnels. I'm going to be basically showing what you're doing wrong, what you could be doing right, and help you start expediting your success process, so that way you can start getting results within your affiliate marketing business, but more importantly, so that way you can build your dream life, right? Life is too short to be building somebody else's dream. Life is too short to be working for a 9 to 5 for the rest of your life. Life is too short, right? It's too beautiful. There's too much opportunity out there for you to literally be building somebody else's dream, building somebody else's lifestyle, business, making somebody else rich when you could be doing it for yourself, right? So with that being said, guys, click down below, freaking apply for the mentorship, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. Let's fucking do this, baby. I'm super excited. Are you? All right, I'm gonna stop screaming in your face. Click the button. This is out for now.